Guys, what's going on? Pretty special thing happened today. We finally got the Fast and Furious Fast Imports set, which New Zealand missed out on quite a while ago. You know, we got a few of them, just in case. But New Zealand missed out on them, but if you recollect, I did get the Lamborghini and the Ford Escort from America when I went there. And now I have two more. I have the Lambo. I'll just remove that. The Lambo, the Escort. I've already taken the others out of the box, but the R34, the R32, and the Mona Lisa Silvia. There. So, when I first got the Mona Lisa Skyline, it had a crack in the blister, so this one, I just pulled it out, so just got an entire card right here. But we're going to be starting off with the Mona Lisa Skyline. Here is the Mona Lisa Silvia. One of the best Silvias that Hot Wheels has released, in my opinion. Where'd the blue tack go? Here we go. Because we had the one from the Tuners set, I forgot that, the white one. That one's clean, but not too clean, kinda, if you think about it. It's like, doesn't have enough going on. And then we have the Formula Drift one. That one's really, really nice, but I like this one better. And then there's the grey one from the newest Fast and Furious set, which is by far my favourite, actually, now that I think about it. And then there is the Forza one that came out last year. But the grey one has to be my favourite, but this one is also very nice. If I quickly get up. Now I can finally finish the duo with the two Silvias. Right, there we go. I have to say, this is a lot better. The people are like, oh, that's so gross, oh, it's so bad. And I was like, oh no, it's not that bad, but now that I have them side by side, it's pretty obvious that this is pretty disgusting. Yeah, I'll pick that up. Okay. But a pretty nice car. Just, yeah, it's all around pretty nice. Okay, next up we have the R34. Right there. Where's the card? The R34 from the set. Pretty nice, actually. People were hyping this up, and I was like, oh yeah, it looks pretty good, but I don't think it would be that nice, but it's actually a very, very decent casting with all of the deco and stuff. The spoiler has always been and will always be rather chunky for the casting. Until they change the casting. I feel like a plastic spoiler like this would fit much better, like not a hoop spoiler, but an actual like spoiler like that, but plastic would be nicer. But now I can also finish the duo of the two Skylines. Finally, I have to say I actually kind of like the R34 better. Like, in real life, I'd rather see Akasuka. But, damn, that the R34 is better than the Akasuka. Quite a lot. Didn't see that one coming. Now we have the R32 from the set. Everything about this is really nice, it's clean, it's got the perfect amount of deco, but the one thing I don't like about it is probably the proportions when it comes to the wheels. They seem a little big. That's probably just me, but they seem a little, like, this car seems a little lifted. This is by far my favourite GTR of all time. But, really well pulled off. All of the deco is in the right place. They didn't add too much, they didn't add too little. I could have probably gone with some door handles, maybe something a little extra on the side, but other than that, pretty nice. I do not have any other premium R32s other than the HKS one. The HKS one here. Oh, just yeah, just HKS one. Nice. But I do like this R32 from the Fast and Furious quite a lot better. Okay, now we have the Escort, which I have shown on this channel before. But I have to say I like the new one I bought quite a lot better, because if you compare the two, this one has a lot of orange peel. You can sort of see a bit of bumpiness on the roof. Orange peel, as it's called. And this one's really smooth. Bumpy and smooth. But they basically, here's the new one here. Here's the old one here. Basically identical, other than the really high amount of orange peel the old one has. I haven't noticed how much it has until now. But, yeah, and this one's paint does seem to be darker, the old one. Or that's probably just me. Yeah, it's just me, there's the same. And then we have the two Lamborghinis. The new one is... which one was the new one? This one right here is the new one. Wait, is it? No. This one here is the new one. On the sides, this one does have a little bit of uneven paint, like a little lighter in some sections. But other than that, they're basically identical. Now I have two. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later. Bye.